morning my dear students. How are you all? कैसे हो आप सब? You are all are fine? I am also fine. So, can you see someone is with us today? Who is she? Who is she? Yes, हम पहले भी मिले हैं इनसे. कौन है ये? Yes, you are right. Miss Sleeping Lion. Who is she? Miss Sleeping Lion. So, say hi to Miss Sleeping Lion. Hello, Sleeping Lion. So, Sleeping Lion is saying, let's check our circle schedule because she has something for us. Right? So, let's first check our circle schedule. Then we will see that what we will do today. Okay? So, till then, say bye-bye to Sleeping Lion. Let's say hi to circle schedule. So let's check our date now. So our date is 6 May. 6. What date is today? 6 May 2021. So let's paste it on our board at the top. Then let's check our day. What's our day is? What day is today? What day is today? What day is today? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. So let's paste Thursday on the board. Now let's see that what we are going to do. So let's see what we have. We are going to do today subject English. Subject English, and English we are going to do formation of sleeping line. Formation of sleeping line. Okay, so let's work on that. So children, can you see Miss Sleeping Line? Can everyone see this? Yes. So here you can see how sleeping line is. So ma'am told you in your previous class that you have to start from this point and we have to drag like this, right? We have to start from this point and we have to drag like this. Okay? Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Yes. And we all have done one more activity with our finger. How we made sleeping line? Like this. Sleeping line. Yes, children. And now see your workbook also. So let's see your workbook. Please check out your workbook, everyone. Okay, so now let's see. In our previous class what we have done. We have done this worksheet. Yes? I have seen you all have done very nicely, right? So how we have done this? We started from this point and we dragged the pencil like this. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. So in today's class, children, we will do our next worksheet at page number 6. Okay? So today we will do this worksheet. So let's sit with your workbooks and let's start. Hey children, so let's start with our worksheet. Okay, at page number 6. Okay, so here what you have to do. This is a present bag for your mother. Okay, so you have to make this cute bag. Okay, how you have to do it? You have to complete this स्लीपिंग स्ट्रोक्स. व्हाट आर दीज स्लीपिंग स्ट्रोक्स? क्या है ये? स्लीपिंग लाइन. तो हमें स्लीपिंग लाइन को कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, सो कैसे करेंगे हम? जैसे हमने कल किया था. वी हैव टू जॉइन दीज डॉट्स. ओके, वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. वी हैव टू ड्रैग लाइक दिस. स्लीपिंग लाइन. अगेन sleeping line. Very good. It's looking so nice, right? So you also have to color this, okay? And you have to complete this worksheet and show it to ma'am. Now your next work is, children, here we have your another worksheet of English. So in that also we have to do sleeping line. We have to make sleeping line. So here you can see that there are 4 lines in your notebook, right? First one is red one, this one, and these two blue one, and this is the last one. So we don't have to touch this one, right? Okay. So for sleeping line we have to use this second line. Okay, we have to use the second line. So we have to make sleeping line on this second line. Okay, हमें सेकेंड वाली लाइन पर हमें अपनी स्लीपिंग लाइन बनानी है. ओके, तो हमें कैसे बनाना है? वी हैव 2 डॉट्स एंड वी हैव टू कनेक्ट दीज 2 डॉट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज डॉट्स. हमें इन 2 डॉट्स को बाकी इन छोटी छोटी डॉट्स की हेल्प से ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. ड्रैग योर पेंसिल लाइक दिस. स्टॉप. स्लीपिंग लाइन. Start from this. Drag your pencil like this. Stop. Sleeping line. Again. Start from this point. Stop. Sleeping line. Can you see? हम only second line पर ही बना रहे हैं, right? We are not touching another line. हम बाकी किसी line को use नहीं करेंगे. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Again, start from this point and drag like this. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Start from this point. Drag it like here. This. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Start again from this point. Join the dot, stop. Sleeping line. Join the dot, stop. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Again see the dots. You have to start from this point. Drag the pencil like this. Stop. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. So children, you have to complete this worksheet like this in your notebook and you have to show it to ma'am. Okay? Children, take care. Bye-bye.